Okay, real quick then, I'm going to cut this into some manageable portions, about like this. We're in there. And besides salt and pepper, I've got some Cajun spice. If you don't have Cajun spice, you know where to get it. Alright, we're going to put the Cajun spice on there. So this is a dry rub. You rub it in, all that flavor. Yeah! Okay, I'm back. There's the steaks a few hours later, looking good. Dry rub, salt and pepper have penetrated. I'm putting 2 more things, and only 2 more things on these steaks before they hit the grill. Right there, garlic. I love garlic. This is pre-chopped, minced, dried garlic. I like it. And I got this really expensive gourmet pale ale. I'm not going to show you the brand because they're not paying me. But anyway, this is really expensive beer. Thought I'd open it. Share it with you. We're just going to dump this beer all over the steak. This is top shelf stuff here, yeah. And we're going to let this penetrate for maybe an hour before these go on the grill. So that's the video. That's the marinade. Oh, that's going to be good. By the way, this is a micro pale ale, extremely high alcohol content, rich in hops. So I think I owe it to myself to grab one of these frosty mugs, give a little taste here, tell you what I think of this beer. Expensive beer that we're putting all over these prime steaks. Yeah. Whoa, here we go. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Boy, that's a lot of head there, a lot of foam. I don't know about that. Wow! That's strong. These steaks are going to be good. Please leave a comment. Support your sponsor. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking. Most of all, have a beautiful day. Highest quality at the lowest possible price.